this module, we will be learning about the neighboring countries of India and Brazil. Let's start with India. It is very important for us to write the directions along with the neighboring countries, sea or ocean. Towards the east of India, we share our boundary with Bangladesh, Myanmar and Bay of Bengal. Towards the north, we have China, Nepal and Bhutan. Towards the west, we have Pakistan, Afghanistan and Arabian Sea. And towards the south, we have Sri Lanka, Indian Ocean and Maldives. Next, let's see Brazil. The neighboring countries, sea or oceans. Towards the north, we have Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname and French Guyana. Towards the west, we have Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, Paraguay and Argentina. Towards the south, we have Uruguay. And towards the east, we do not have any country, but we have the North and the South Atlantic Ocean.
अगर आपको मेरा कंटेंट और एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो डू फॉलो मी and ask your doubts in the comment section. See you in the next module. Thank you.